Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna make peach overnight oats. This is one of my staple recipes. It's super simple and you're gonna love them. So let's get started. You can use fresh peaches, frozen peaches that you've thawed out, whatever you have on hand for this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is cook up our peaches really quickly with some cinnamon, delicious. So in this large pan, I'm going to heat up a little bit of coconut oil. You can also use butter, by the way, just a little bit to caramelize the peaches. And once the oil is hot, we're gonna add them to the pan. Now what we want to do is heat up our peaches first, just a little bit, toss them around, and then sprinkle our cinnamon on top. Now this peach mixture is going to be added into our oat jars and sit overnight in the fridge, but this extra step of cooking them down a little bit really brings out the peachy flavor and it makes them sweeter in the morning. Like all overnight oat recipes with fruit, this is best when you make them about 2 nights ahead of time, so good enough for 2 to 3 days. After that, the peaches or any fruit that you add to overnight oats tends to break down. Now once our peaches start to sizzle and they're warm, we're going to add a little bit of maple syrup. You could also use honey here and give them a quick stir to combine. Remember that right below the video, I will have all the measurements for you. And once the mixture is nice and hot, I'm going to first turn off my heat and then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. And this cinnamon peachy mixture is ready. Now this overnight oats recipe yields 4 servings or 4 individual jars, but of course you can also use a large enough container to hold everything in the recipe and then scoop it out in the morning. Both work. Now overnight oats are great with old-fashioned or rolled oats, so I'm simply going to scoop half a cup of each in my jars, just like this. I'm also going to add a little bit of flaxseed to each of my jars for nutrition purposes, but you can leave it out if you don't like it. And the last step is to add my milk inside of each of these jars, just like this, not all the way to the top. You want to leave some room for the peach mixture, and again, use any milk that works for you. And the final step is to take my peach mixture and add a spoonful of it into each jar, and then making sure to use that same spoon and give it a quick stir. And the final step is to place the lid on top of our jars and then place these guys in the fridge. And in the morning, all you have to do is grab that awesome jar of overnight oats out of the fridge and enjoy it. The best part about overnight oats is that they can be eaten cold right out of the fridge or warmed up in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, whatever you like, and they're ready to eat. In the description box, you're going to find the ingredient measurements to the recipe, and make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.